Everything you need to know about the 2024 Chevrolet Blazer electric car. Chevrolet's latest midsize electric crossover carries on the Blazer brand with impressive performance. Chevrolet had been using his Blazer nickname since the 1960s, making it instantly recognizable. It has been around for a while, and after being used in a variety of vehicles, it is now ready to join the EV solution. Chevrolet has appropriately named its all-new electric vehicle, EV, the Blazer. With more than 550 horsepower and a range of up to 320 miles, the Chevrolet Blazer EV could be a dark horse that other automakers should be wary of. Here's everything you need to know about his just unveiled 2024 Chevrolet Blazer EV. The 2024 Blazer EV will be available in 4 different trim levels: 1LT, 2LT, RS, and SS. The SS is the first mass-produced electric car to wear the legendary badge. In hindsight, it seems a bit odd to give such a practical product the fancy name Blazer, but the SS uniform Blazer seems to have earned the name. Visually, the 2021 Chevrolet Blazer looks very similar to his 2019 model of the same name, which uses a conventional internal combustion engine. This is not just a mechanical replica with replaced batteries. The Blazer EV is built on GM's Ultium platform and will also support his future GM electric vehicles. The Blazer EV doesn't look pathetic or hopeless. Its design is naturally attractive, and the high-end version is very attractive. The LED strip and illuminated bowtie are unique features on the RS and SS models. While the use of the Chevrolet Camaro's design cues isn't necessarily a negative thing, the face of the regular Blazer was never intended to look like a Camaro. What kind of impact will this EV version have on public opinion? Now we just have to wait and see what happens. The cuts and wrinkles on her back are also noticeable, making her look beautiful. Is it just me, or do others feel the same way about the Lexus LC 500? The electric Blazer can be fitted with 19 to 22-inch wheels. Proportions have not been disclosed, but they will likely mirror those of the gasoline-powered Blazer. The average jacket size on the market today is 191.4 inches long, 76.7 inches wide, and 67 inches high. Ground clearance is 7.4 inches and wheelbase is 112.7 inches. You can expect the dimensions of the Blazer EV to be the same, with some variations. Intelligent, functional, and high-tech interior. The interior is comfortable and modern, but doesn't look dated like other electric cars on the market. The Blazer EV's cabin is crowded even by today's EV standards, but it would have been nice to have real knobs and buttons instead of relying on a touchscreen for everything. As for the display, all Blazer EV models come with a large 17.7-inch infotainment touchscreen. An 11-inch computerized dashboard has been added. Upgrading to higher specification levels unlocks features such as a flat-bottomed steering wheel, turbine-inspired curved air vents, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof. The RS and SS feature an attractive selection of upholstery and trim, with the former featuring red contrast stitching and the latter featuring microfiber suede seats. One thing to note is that the Blazer EV does not have a traditional push-button starter. Instead, it offers hands-free starting, which works when the door is closed and your foot touches the brake. The key fob is used to enable the hands-free start feature. Did I forget to add that the Blazer also comes with Super Cruise? 190 kilowatts fast charging, 320 miles of range. The Blazer EV has 3 battery options, but their capacities have not been disclosed. Cruising range is 247 to 320 miles. The midsize electric crossover can be charged using the 11.5 kilowatts onboard AC power supply for home and public charging, and up to 190 kilowatts with DC fast charging. In this situation, you can get up to 78 miles in about 10 minutes. No word yet on when charging will slow down. It provides the center of gravity and additional stability, and it becomes an ideal and purely stable utility vehicle that can be used by international institutions that need to deploy Fisker Ocean in rural areas, and can be used as a military version. It will be a purely stable utility vehicle. Transfer staff is because oil is one of the most important costs for the Army. In fact, what can be obtained with the main finish of Blazer EV? See East. The transmission consists of an engine located on the front axle. 247 miles. Minus 11.5 kilowatts alternate current assistance. High speed load of up to 190 kilowatts DC is supported. Wheel size, 19 inches. Full LED lighting. Dashboard screen size is 11 inches. Media hub with 17.7-inch screen. Chevrolet plans to sell the Blazer EV to law enforcement agencies, military and government agencies. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.